How can I get the name parameters from a URL using Flask? When the user accesses this URL running on my Flask app, I want the web service to be able to handle the parameters specified after the question mark.
Use request.args to get parsed contents of query string.
The URL parameters are available in request.args, which is an immutable multidict that has a get method, with optional parameters for default value, default, and type, which is a callable that converts the input value to the desired format. See the documentation of the method for more details. Examples with the code above.
You can also use brackets on the URL of the view definition, and this input will go into your view function arguments. If you have a single argument passed in the URL, you can do it as follows. In case you have multiple parameters. What you were trying to do works in case of post requests where parameters are passed as form parameters and do not appear in the URL. In case you are actually developing a login API, it is advisable you use post request rather than get and expose the data to the user. In case of post request, it would work as follows. HTML snippet. Route.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.